I'm here to explain you class 10th math NCERT applications of trigonometry exercise 12.2. The first question here you have. A TV tower stands vertically on the side of a road. From a point on the other side directly opposite to the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 60 degrees. From another point 10 meters away from this point, on the line joining to this point to the foot of the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 30 degrees. Now here the question is, find the height of the tower and the width of the road. Now let's make a picture according to the given data. So first here you have a tower stands vertically on the ground. Here you have a tower. A tower stands vertically on the side of a road. So this is a tower which stands vertically on the side of a road. Okay. Now from a point on the other side directly opposite to the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 60 degrees. So the tower stands vertically on the side of the road. Okay. Thus let's make a road over here. This will be the road and this is the tower. Now from a point opposite to the tower, the angle of elevation is 60 degrees. So this is the tower. Opposite to the tower, here forms a point. From here to the top of the tower makes what? 60 degrees over here. Okay, the angle of elevation, right? This. Whereas here you can see that angle of elevation to the ground at the top of the tower is 60 degrees. Okay, to the road at the top of the tower is 60 degrees. And now from another point 10 meters away from this point, on the line joining this point to the foot of the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 30 degrees. So firstly here you have from another point 10 meters away from this point. So from this point, okay, here you have from this point 10 meters away. 10 meters away from this point, where line joining to this point to the foot of the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 630 degrees. So from the foot of the tower to the top of the tower. Okay. So from this point 10 meters, as we can conclude this as 10 meters of side. And now here the angle of elevation, the angle of elevation which forms is 30 degrees. Okay, the angle of elevation which forms over here is 30 degrees. Now the question is, find the height of the tower and the width of the road. Now let me mark it as AB as the tower. Okay, AB as the tower and C and D. Okay, where CD equals 10 meters, let BC be X. Okay, BC be what? X. As we haven't any value for BC, we can consider this as X. And now let AB be the height of the tower. Let's denote the height of the tower with a variable called H. Okay, where AB equals to H and BC equals to X and CD equals to 10 meters. Now the question here is, we need to find the height of the tower. So we need to find the height of AB and BD, the value of BD. Okay, where BD equals to, let me write down like, where BD equals to DC plus CD, right? DC plus CB. Where BD equals to DC plus CB. Now BD equals to DC value over here is 10 meters plus CB, we can consider the CB as X. Done? Now hence we need to find the value of X. So now let's find the value of H and X in the given figure. Now let me solve the given problem like solution over here. Now okay, firstly let's consider ABC. Wait. Okay, in triangle. Okay, let's write down the data. Okay, before as we created a picture based upon this. And now let's solve that sum as in triangle ABC. Okay, in triangle ABC. First, let's consider triangle ABC. As you can see, two right angle triangles in the given figure, where triangle ABC is the first right angle triangle and triangle ABD will be the second one. Okay. Now you can see two right angle triangles in the given triangle. Now here you have in triangle ABC. Now let's find out the height of the tower. To find the height of the tower, let's take a trigonometric ratio like opposite side by adjacent side. As we know, tan relates opposite side by adjacent side. So I can take a tan 60 degrees, right? Tan 60 degree equals to AB is the opposite side to the angle C. AB is the opposite side to the angle C and BC is the adjacent side to the angle C. Now here you have tan 60 degrees. Where tan 60 degree value will be root 3 equals to AB value over there is h, right? AB value is h by x. Now here by cross multiplication, okay, h into 1 gives h as h equals to root 3x. Let this be first equation. Okay, where h equals to root 3x. Here by this I find out the relationship between height of the tower and the width of the road. I got the relation between h and x by this equation. Now here I need to find the value of x. So now to find the value of x, let's take the second right angle triangle. So here you have the second right angle triangle in triangle ABD. Okay, where we got the first equation. First equation as what? Where h equals to root 3x, right? Okay, just keep this aside. Okay, we will be using this equation later. Let me write down over here. Let h equals to root 3x. And then now here in triangle ABD, by considering this, okay. Now if we consider in triangle ABD, I need to find the value of h. So just consider opposite by adjacent side. Again, opposite by adjacent side, which trigonometric ratio is opposite and adjacent side. As we know, tan 30 degrees, right? Tan 30 degrees is opposite by adjacent side. So opposite to the angle D, you have AB, and adjacent to the angle D, you have BD. Opposite to the angle D, you have AB, and adjacent to the angle D, you have BD. I don't like BD. BD, where we know BD equals to DC plus CB. Now here at tan 30 degree value will be 1 by root 3 equals to AB. Okay, AB as let me take AB as h by, okay, AB as h by BD as you know, BD equals BD equals to DC plus CB. So when I again write like 1 by root 3 equals to h by DC value over here is 10 meters, 10 plus CB or BC or BC as x. Okay, clear? Now here by cross multiplication again, okay, by cross multiplication again we get like h into root 3 equals to 1 into 10 plus x gives what? 10 plus x. Done. I need the value of h. So by taking this root 3 to the other side, multiplication turns into division form. So here h equals to 10 plus x by root. Clear? So now let this be second equation. Let this be second equation. Okay, now here by 1 and 2 equations. By from first and second equations. So the first equation here is root 3x, right? First equation over here is root 3x equals to, second equation we got what? 10 plus x by root 3. 10 plus x by root 3. Okay. Then now here just simplify this. We are almost done. So here root 3 into root 3. As we know, root 3 into root 3 equals to root 3 whole square, where square and root get cancelled. As we get that, root 3 into root 3 gives 3. As we did this type of problems in the previous questions. Now here you have root 3 into root 3 gives 3. As I can write 3x equals to 10 plus x. Done. Now I need the value of x. So just take this x to the other side. Okay, just take this x to the other side. Thus this becomes what? Plus x, right? This plus x turns into minus x. Okay. Where x to the other side, the plus sign becomes minus, and I can write 3x minus x equals to 10. Okay. So 3x minus x gives what? 2x. Where 2x equals to 10. I need the value of x. Just take the 2 to the other side. This becomes what? X equals to 10 by 2. Where 2 1s 2, 2 5s 10. Okay. Thus here we got what? 2 1s 2, 2 5s 10. At last, okay, like x equals to 5. I got the value as x equals to 5 and h as root 3x. We got the value where x equals to 5. Thus I can write like, let me just rub this. I need the value of h. Now let's find out the value of h by this, by the x. So here h equals to root 3x, where x is 5 root 3. Right, we got the value of h, where h equals to 5 root 3. If you wanted to just multiply it, as we can write like root 3 value is 1.732, right? Now 1.732, okay, 1732 into 5. Now 5 2 0 1. Okay. Okay. Here we made a dot before 3 numbers. Okay, we put a decimal dot before 3 numbers. Thus we can also mention a decimal dots before 3 numbers. So the zeros after the decimals are not counted. So thus we can consider that as h equals to 8.66 meters. Height of the tower is 8.66 meters. I can write like AB equals to 8.66 meters. And now here we need the value of BC. So to find the value, we need the value of BD. Okay, BD is the width of the road, right? So BD has been a BD equals to DC plus CB. DC is 10 plus CB. DC is 10 plus CB is x. I can write like x equals to B. X equals to B. Thus, okay, BD equals to 10 plus 5 gives what? 50. equals to 15 meters. Then, therefore, the height of the tower is 8.66 meters.